This is a video how to install Testnet over Bitcoin Vault. We go to Chrome, we go search Bitcoin Vault.global. Then we go join Testnet, we click, then we scroll down, then we go download APK, Gold Wallet APK, download. And downloading this file. In the meanwhile, you must open your PDF on a different device. So that you can follow along with the instructions. Then we go open APK, then we install. It's installing now, ladies and gentlemen. Then we open. There, Gold Wallet on Testnet. Remember that these coins, these Bitcoin vaults, you cannot send them to a real account or to an exchanger. This is just how to test these three keys. Then we accept the risks. Then we first have to create a PIN that we open into the account. You see, your PIN will be used to log into the application. You can change it later in the settings sections. So I'll say quickly. Then I have to confirm the PIN, retype it. Then we have to create a transaction password. This password will be used to verify all the transaction. You cannot change it later. Transaction password must contain at least 5 alphanumeric characters. So it's characters with numbers. So let me do mine. You save it. Then we have to verify it again. Confirm. So I'm retyping the password again. Then we save it. Then hooray, you're successful, created your PIN. Then we go to the dashboard. Then now we need to add a wallet. Now remember, ladies and gentlemen, that you need to open that PDF on a separate device so that you can follow the instructions carefully. Then because you will need also a key generator from the separate device. So I already went ahead and scrolled down because we did all these steps, and then I've got my key generator online. And then let's go add a wallet. So we're gonna give it a name. Just gonna give it my name, Safiso. Then you choose what type, because we want to use these 3 keys. We want to see how this third key, how these things work. So we'll say the 3 key wallet. Then we add a new wallet. Then now we have to go to the key generator to add a cancellation key. So you must go to a separate device. So here's my separate device. I've already opened the page where they say key generator, so I'll just have to click it. I click the link. Then on this key generator you can press generate anytime, but once you have scanned it on your Bitcoin Vault wallet, then that key you have to export it and save it, because that key you're gonna use it all the time. It's your key, you can never rechange it. If the wallet that you created and you lost the key, it means that wallet you can't use those keys to do the transaction. So I'll open my app so that I can, so you can press the generate key anytime, but you have to choose that key. So I'm gonna go to my app, then I'm gonna scan this key and say this is my cancellation key. Sorry. Then I'm gonna scan. Sorry for that. Must scan there we did it. Then I must export this key, because this is my key that I'll use all the time when I want to cancel my transactions. And then also remember, ladies and gentlemen, that you have to store this key. You must save it. You can even print it and laminate it, because you're going to use this key very very often. So I'll advise some people that they just retype it and write here as visual cancel key, then save. Then we saved our cancellation key. Now we have to go back to Testnet and to the key generator part. Key generator, here's my key generator, and press generate key. We can generate as many key, because now we're going to be creating a fast transaction key, saving it. So now we need to scan the fast transaction key now. So I'll be there. Here they say scan, go to the web generator key on a separate device. Again, refresh the page and use this app to scan the new public key QR code. Remember to export your key as a PDF. Like I said, ladies and gentlemen, you must remember to do that. So I'm gonna scan, then sorry, scan there. Now my wallet has been created. So also now there's another thing that I learned, that there are three types of wallet. There's an online wallet and hardware wallet, and there's a cold wallet. So now our hardware wallet is one that we are doing right now, installing it on the hardware. And then there's an online wallet, which is an exchanger, or in some cases, like some of us are in Mining City, then also Mining City has an online wallet. We're still waiting for it to do its magic. Then there's a cold wallet where you can take out, sorry for that, yeah. So these words, well, they'll be part of your cold wallet, so you must store these words so that you can restore it. Write down these seed phrase somewhere safe, to it's your backup in case you need to restore your wallet. That's what I was trying to say, ladies and gentlemen. Save these words so that you can be able to restore your wallet later, and this will form part of your cold wallet. So you can delete this hardware wallet after using or putting some coins, then delete it, then put these words in your or somewhere safe that you can leave it maybe for your kids or the next generation. Then they can restore the wallet with these. Then we said I wrote these words down. Then there our wallet is created. Then the last step would say that you have to go to receive, copy this, go back to Testnet, Go back to Testnet, send Testnet an email, then you say paste, say Testnet. Okay, sorry, I don't know why this didn't copy. We're gonna try this again, so we'll press and send an email to them. Still not writing. Testnet.global.